Okay, so we're going to try a couple of questions here just to help you out with your journal. And the first question is an addition, and the second one is a subtraction question. So if we look at the very first one here, it's addition. So what happens here is we can only add matrices if they have the same dimensions, and these ones do, so it's okay. I would like you to show the working out for these questions. So if you can underneath, just make a little bit of space and show the working out. Now I've color coded the ones that are going together here. So we're saying 2 plus minus 1, and this is giving us 1. And so we type in 1 here. Now, if anyone is having trouble getting a matrix, you can actually just copy one of these, put it in here, and then delete the elements that are in there. So you can reuse it. Or you can go to Insert Equation, and remember the equation will only work if you have the full version of OneNote. So 1 goes in here as our first answer. The next bit we're going to be looking at is minus 4 and plus 4. So again, underneath, show your working out. Minus 4 plus 4, this gives us 0. So 0 goes in here. The next one is 1 plus 2. We look at this element and the corresponding element here. So 1 plus 2 gives us our 3. We can throw this in, and it's just to have the working out shown underneath as well. So minus 2 plus minus 5. So we're matching this element and this element. This is giving us minus 7. 7 here. We have this element and this element. So we have 5 and plus minus 2. Oops, I left out my 5. Do that one more time here. 5 plus minus 2, and this gives us our 3. And then the last one here is 5 plus 3. This is going to give us 8. 5 doesn't want to type for some reason. Just press equal to here again, and we get 8, and we can fill that in. So that's how you do your first question in your journal. You're adding the elements. They're in corresponding positions, and you show your working out. Remember, we give marks for showing working out. The question underneath, this one here, we can do it. I'm going to do this one out by hand just to show you how it's done. And again, you can copy one of these if you want, just to show how you're going to type in your answer. I'm going to grab one of these here, paste it in here. I'm going to delete these elements here. Just so we can type in our answer when we've them done. But if you want, you can do all of this by hand. There's no requirement on you to do it using OneNote. But I think the signs actually help on OneNote. So the first one we're going to look at is this one here. We're going to look at 3 and minus 1. So we have 3 plus minus, we have 3 minus minus 1, which is going to give us a plus. So we have 3 minus minus 1. And that is going to give us 3 plus 1, which is giving us 4 for our first element here. Then we're going to look at this one and this one. So we're going to have minus 2. Might just break it into these bits here so they're easy for us to see where they came from. So we're going to have minus 2 minus minus 5. And again, so it's minus 2 plus 5, which is going to give us 3. So our answer here is 3. And then down here we have minus 6 minus 3. So this will give us minus 9 here. And here we have 2 minus minus 2. So 2 minus minus gives us a plus. So 2 plus 2, which is giving us 4. And here's your answer here. So you can do it out by hand, or you can do it using OneNote. I guess the nice thing about OneNote is it'll do the minus minus and give you the plus if you're not sure about that.